Hi guys, Justin here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I'm really hyped. Oh my god. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I install, or rather reinstall, my Kinky coily wig and how I style it as well. So I got this wig I think 2 or 3 months ago from Aliexpress, Princess Hair Aliexpress. I'm going to put the link in the description box. And yeah, I got the Kinky coily wig, 26 inches, 250% density. So I went for the 250% density because I like full hair, and I know that I would like to wear it in its full coil. So I would like to add water and keep it really coily. And one thing I noticed about 150% density coily hair is that when you wet the hair, sometimes it becomes too thin, and I didn't want that. So I wanted, even when I wet the hair, for the hair to still look full. I don't know if it makes sense. Yeah, but yeah, that's why I got 250% density. Is full when it's wet and is also really full when it's dry. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, comment. I'm a new YouTuber guys, and this will really help my channel to grow. I'm really trying to be consistent. I want to grow my channel, so please guys, help a girl to grow her channel. Please share this video to your friends and family, and it will mean so much to me. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna start out with just wetting the hair a little bit. So one thing about Kinky coily wigs is you have to treat it like our natural coily hair. So you see how you never comb, or it's never recommended to comb your hair dry? That's the same thing about Kinky coily wig. Even if you're not going for the wet look, when you're combing this wig, you should at least make it a little bit wet, just to, you know, help the coils, or so that you don't rip off the hair. And with a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to comb this hair from tip to root. So this is how I comb. I just comb it a little bit, you know. Or if I find that it's difficult to comb through the hair, I first use my finger to detangle the hair. So now I'm running my hand through the hair. It's still a little bit difficult, but I think I can manage. So yeah, I'm going in with the Black Opal Stick foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm just going to put it on a buffing brush, a small buffing brush like this, and I'll just use it, right, I'll just use it on my wig, just on the area that looks a bit lighter. But once I have this hair here, I like to push it back a little bit, and I like to work in sections. So once it's a bit tacky, I like to go back again with another layer of glue, just to hold it really well. So guys, I really love this wig for so many reasons. First of all, the quality was surprising, I must say, because I got it from Aliexpress, and it's not an expensive wig, so it's not in the higher end of the Aliexpress brand, I would say. So I wasn't expecting so much from this wig. First of all, it has minimal shedding. When I say minimal, I mean minimal. Once you do it the right way, you have minimal shedding. Then secondly, it's really full and thick, and it's coily from root to tip, and that is what I absolutely love about this hair. And yeah, I really like this hair. I was surprised by the quality. I think it's really good quality, and I think it will last a while because I've been using it for a few months now, which is good. So guys, yeah, So guys, once I'm done with installing the wig, I just go ahead with some scarf. Yeah, so I just tie my hair like this and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So while I have this on, the next thing I'm going to do is just to go ahead and wet my hair. So this is a time where I kind of begin the styling of this hair. So the hair already looks good now. That's because I coiled it the last time I wore it, and I haven't combed out the coils. I haven't combed out the coils yet, so the coils are kind of coming through. So but anyway, this is not the type of coil that I'm looking for today. I want my coils to be a bit tighter. So the hair is looking a bit full, which I like. I like it that it's full, but I want my coils to be more defined and a bit more tighter. So to achieve those juicy coils, the first thing I have to do is to completely wet this hair. When I say completely, I mean completely drench it in water. So I'm literally drenching this hair in water from the tip to the root, like just drench it. I like to walk in sections just like my natural hair. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like wet so we can compare the two. Yeah. So this side is completely wet. As you can see, it's even dripping water. And then this one is dry. Not completely dry, but it's a bit drier than this one. So you can see that the coils here look a bit more defined and the hair look a bit flat. So I like it. Okay. This way I go ahead and just comb out the coils or the hair a little bit more. Yep. So as you can see, this hair is completely drenched. When I say completely, I mean completely drenched. I use this brush. Okay. So the next thing I need to do, I start to brush out the hair. So see, like so. So I start from the front of the hair and I comb it out this way. Sometimes I coil the tip a little bit. You see how juicy the coils are? So beautiful. You see that? That's what I'm going for. So I do that in sections. So if you would like the coils to last a little longer, you can add some mousse, but I don't really add mousse every day to my hair. I don't know why, but I just don't like adding mousse. I just feel like with this hair, with just water, if you put enough water, like let the water be dripping, as you can see, the water is literally dripping. So I feel like with this hair, once you put enough water, it just helps to define the coils really well, and I don't need mousse most of the time. So we're going to do this side as well. So if there is one thing this hair has taught me, is that good quality hair is not always expensive, and expensive hair is not always good quality. Trust me, I've spent money on hair. Like, I've spent money on wigs, weaves, and man, this hair really surprised me, to be honest. It holds coil, it doesn't shed so much. I mean, it sheds, but not too much, you know, and it retains coils. It's so beautiful. Like, the hair is really gorgeous. I love it, and I got this hair 100% with my money. So yep. So once I've done this, I let this hair to dry, just to give it a good 30 minutes to air dry. I know that you can dry it with your dryer on cool, but I just feel like letting it air dry just yields the best results. So most times I just leave it for 30 minutes. Sometimes I just go about my business. So I would say in a way that this hair is a bit high maintenance, but I don't think it's high maintenance, because I don't know about you guys, but for me, like, I really like my wigs very much laid. So for, let's say, straight hair or body wave hair, before I can wear them out, like, to feel really comfortable in them, I like to coil them or straighten them. So that takes time as well. Like, to coil my body wave wig also takes time. Like, to straighten my straight wigs also takes time. So I just feel like this hair doesn't even take as much time as I would need if I wanted to wear, like, if I wanted to really look cute in my body wave wig, unless I'm just rushing out and I can just put them in a bun. Same with this hair. So if I'm in a hurry, I don't have to do all these things. I can just pack them from the previous, I can just use the previous day's coils and just pack the hair and move. But if I really want, like, a really cute juicy coil, then I spend a bit of time on them. So yeah, this is pretty much what I do. I just let it sit for like 30 minutes, and yeah, I just, you know, do the finishing touches. So I'll be right back, or before then I'll just take out this hairband, because I won't be wearing it for so long. So let's take it out. Ooh, are you seeing how melted? Well, I'm going with this product from African Pride. I try to define the edges. I don't do so much. I don't even, yeah, this is literally all I do. Okay, I look much more put together. I really love this hair. So yeah, I'm just going to leave the hair to dry a little bit, and I'll be right back. See you. Okay guys, I'm back again. So yeah, I think the hair is pretty much dry. So I left it on to do my makeup. So I think it's pretty much dry, and I'm just going to put it forward. You see how it looks? So beautiful. But that's not where we're going to end. So the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to try to loosen up the coils. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love this hair. My curls are popping, everything is popping, the hair is giving what it's supposed to give. Guys, I really love this hair. All the details regarding this hair will be linked down below in the description box. I was not sent this hair. This video is not sponsored at all. I bought this hair 100% with my money. So my review of this hair is just, you know, 100% the truth or how I feel about this hair. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your family and friends. It will mean so much to me, and it will help with the YouTube algorithm. I really look forward to seeing you next time. So bye.